Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can convert a PDF to JPG in your mobile phone, and this is going to work for both iOS and Android. So follow the step. First you want to open your browser and you want to search for file converter. Once you search for file converter, scroll a bit down and where it says freeconvert.com, click on it. Once you're in this website, click on where it says choose file, and once you click on that, just click on the third option, choose files, and from inside your files you want to choose the PDF. So this photo is my PDF, so I will click on photo and click on open at the top right. Once I do that, this PDF will be uploaded over here. Now you can see where it says PDF, but I don't want to convert this into PDF. So I will click on PDF and then I will go on the image section, and from image I will choose JPG. Now once I click on convert, this file will be converted to a JPG. Now once the conversion is finished, I can just simply click on the download button and download this. So as you guys can see, it's ready. I click on download and click on download again and it'll start to download. That's how you guys can convert a PDF to JPG in your mobile. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.